back to the boat. We had a fail. Bit of a fail. We're gonna try.
You can take on a project like this. It is so much fun.
It's so much fun.
Oh, well, it actually teaches you a lot.
Well, yeah, don't just half-ass the roof and go, that'll probably do.
And you are a builder.
Yeah, that's right. Exactly right. Yeah, do what I say, don't do what I do. So we had a lot of rain. Is this slippery? No, it's pretty grippy. We had a huge dump up here in the last week, and my initial frame, that's holding. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, it's a pull. Yummo. She didn't drain, she just filled up and broke everything. So, that's a fail. Alright, let's just do it properly. We're gonna have to get rid of all this. Let's clean it all up, and I'm gonna have to buy more materials. I just didn't want to have to buy more materials, but that's what we're gonna have to do. We have to get rid of this big pot belly. This has just been dumping water out the side here and filling up this guy. We got bits of wood snapped, jamming through. Too much weight, too much water. Silly idea. All right. It's all part of the fun of it, isn't it? I didn't want the wet season to hit yet. But it has. For those of you watching at home going, stop holding the camera, you don't hold it very well. I'm sorry. That was just a big fail, just a big fail. Just trying to use up what materials I had lying around, but I'm gonna have to. This wet season's really kicked in already, and you know, when you're getting dumps of 100 mil of rain, it's not going to help you, is it? When you get a big dump of rain and everything just drops. Alright, plan B. Let's just take all this down again. And I think we're going to have to go get a couple of smaller tarps to just throw over the top. I can't afford to get a heap of framing right now. Not this close to Chrissy. Alright, we're going to do something. Put the water drain out. It's frustrating. It is frustrating. You got bits and pieces of things going great and moving along, and then life gets in the way, and then the wet season comes earlier than you anticipate. Excellent. Oh well. I feel like at the moment all I'm doing is, every time I come here I'm cleaning the boat. It just seems to be all I get to do. Give it a clean, get rid of the leaves, get rid of the crap. I really need to get a good frame over this thing for the wet season, so it's needed. I'm gonna just clean this thing up today and get that acrylic next week so I can stick that in. That'll at least seal up this end. I'm waiting on the material for the rest of this side. They haven't had any in. So I need to get the material to finish this side. So until then, we'll throw another tarp over this end of the boat. Wait for some dry weekends. If we're gonna get one. I was hoping to get it this year. But you can only do what you can do. Let's clean this up. Let's have a think. Big think about what we're going to do next. But this is, look, I'm really happy with how this is all going. Now, I am still planning on doing a final layer over the top of it all with a vinyl ester product. And the vinyl ester, look how nice and solid this all is now. So solid, so rigid. And that's going to be my waterproofing layer over the top of everything, over the polyester. And I need to do a bit of a rubbish run, don't I? Get rid of some of this stuff. I've got these window portholes to go back in, but I really want to finish fiberglassing all of this area, clean it all up and paint it. Then we'll put them back in. So there's a bit of time on them. I've got that at home as well. I need to get that sorted, but I still need to do another coat on that side and a big coat over the whole thing. So that's got to get done. There's a lot to do. There's a lot to do still. All right. Get you apart. And it really quickly goes from beautiful blue sunshine to hammering down with rain. That's far north Queensland for you. So we better pack this up, and too late for a tarp now. Oh well, I'll get one tomorrow. This is looking great, really good. Prepping all this up. We've still got to do another coat of fiberglass, and we'll do like really neat fiberglass thing and everything around the edges to finish that off. But that's looking pretty good. It's cleaning up great. And this guy, you know, we just need to give this thing a good clean back and a respray. And need a bit of acrylic, and that's going back on. But right now, Derp, a bit wet, mate. Right now we're getting a bit wet. So let's pack up, because this is coming in for a bit, I think. Alright guys, I'm gonna get some stuff and I'll be back here tomorrow.